Hi friends, it's Martha. Today we have a sneak peek of the new foods at the refurbished Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree. In the heart of Critter Country, soon to be known as Bayou Country, the Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree offers a new menu inspired by regional barbecue dishes, making it a must-visit for food lovers. Now let's talk about the food. The menu here is packed with delicious options. Here are some highlights. The smoked barbecue combo platter, choose from various house smoked meats with sides. Sandwich options include barbecue pulled pork, smoked beef brisket, smoked Angus, beef burger, and pulled pork. Try the corn ribs for a plant-based option and with the loaded fries with pork and queso sauce. The classic cheeseburger is still there, served with beer-battered fries. Chicken tenders plate served with house slaw and beer-battered fries as well. For kids' meals, which will include cuties, mandarin orange, applesauce, and a choice of water or low-fat milk, your options are pork spare ribs, toasted cheese sandwich, hamburger, or, as always, chicken tender. The sides will include baked beans and house slaw. And don't forget to save room for dessert. Try the banana pudding and or the funnel cake fries with banana caramel dipping sauce. Quench your thirst with a specialty beverage like sparkling strawberry pickle lemonade, strawberry shortcake lemonade, or lemon iced tea. All are non-alcoholic and very refreshing. Oh, and don't forget about the Hungry Bear Mason Jar. It's back. I'm very excited about this. And you can get it filled with your favorite beverage. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's all the new stuff coming to the new Hungry Bear restaurant, and we hope to see you at the park soon. Have a great day. Bye!